How to export budget data from YNAB. First of all, open your preferred browser and make sure you are signed in to your YNAB account. Once you are on the home screen, click on the down arrow next to your plan and select the Export Plan option from the drop-down menu. Click on it. YNAB allows you to export your budget data in CSV format, which can be opened in spreadsheet applications like Excel or Google Sheets. Next, click on the Export button to generate the CSV file, which will be downloaded automatically as a zip file. Extract the zip file and you will find your complete budget data. You can also share the exported data via email or cloud storage for record keeping, reporting, or further analysis. Now you know how to export budget data from YNAB. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more finance and budgeting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.